In today's video, we're changing the radiator on this 03 Volkswagen Jetta.
Perfect.
Hey guys, so welcome to the AP YouTube channel. So today we're changing the radiator on this 03 Volkswagen Jetta. This one is a TDI model, so ALH engine code. So as you can see, we have a radiator leak, so we're going to be replacing it. So let's start. So first thing we're going to do is remove the battery cover and disconnect the battery, so just to be sure we don't short anything when disconnecting plugs. It's just safer to do it that way. Now it's time to drain the coolant, so you can go under the car, remove the belly pan if you have one, and then you can open the drain here to empty the coolant from the radiator and a part of the engine. You can then open the expansion tank to let the air out, and the coolant will come flowing out of the radiator. Next, you can go underneath the car and remove the hose that is connected on the left side of the radiator. These might be pretty stuck, so just wiggle it and try to work it with a screwdriver on the side to give you some better traction, and this will just pull out here. Be careful, some coolant might be left in the hoses like this. Then you want to go back on top and remove the cover here that's over the upper radiator hose. So you have 3 Phillips head screws to remove here. Once the cover is removed, you can remove the upper radiator hose that is located right here. You have a clamp to remove, and then you can pull it off. Again, it's probably going to be tight. You can try turning it before removing it just to get it to break the bond it has with the plastic. Next step is going to be to remove the headlight and bumpers from the car. If you don't know how to do this, you can look up my instructional video. I will post up the link in the description. You will now need to remove the front radiator support from the car. In order to remove it, you'll need to remove all the fasteners that are between the radiator support and the frame rails of the car, and also between the fenders and the radiator support. Once these are removed, you can also remove the fasteners that are holding the radiator to the radiator support. You should have 4, 2 on each side. You can now disattach the AC condenser from the radiator in order to remove the radiator without disconnecting your AC system. The only thing left to remove are all the electric connectors that are on your radiator fan that are connected to the car. You should have 2 big connectors on the driver's side and also some sensors. You can now remove the fan assembly from the radiator. There are 4 torque bolts on each corner. And then don't forget to remove the temperature sensor from the radiator if you want to reuse it on your new radiator. So all this disassembly is done. So all you need to do is repeat all the previous steps in reverse order to get your radiator installed back into the car. Once everything is installed, fill your car with coolant, check for any leaks, bleed the system, and then you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.